Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to set up a delegate as an admin on X, the app formerly known as Twitter, using your PC. If you manage a busy account, this new update makes it easier than ever to share responsibilities while staying in control. Let's get started. First, open the X app on your PC. Once it's loaded, look to the left side of your screen and click on the More icon. This will open a menu with several options to help you manage your account. Next, select Settings and Privacy. From there, go to Security and Account Access. This section is where you can manage everything related to your account's permissions and who has access to help you manage it. Now, find and click on Delegate. You'll see an option labeled Members You've Delegated. This area shows all the people who currently have permission to help manage your account. To add someone new, click on Invite a Member. A field will appear where you can type the name or the @username of the person you'd like to delegate. Make sure you enter it correctly so your invitation goes to the right person. Once you've selected the user, it's time to assign their role. Choose Admin as their role from the available options. The admin role provides full access to manage posts, messages, and other key account functions, so only give this to someone you trust completely. After assigning the role, click Send Invite. The person will receive a notification or message inviting them to become an admin on your account. Once they accept, they'll appear in your delegated members list. And that's it. You've successfully added an admin delegate to your X account using the new update on PC. This feature is perfect for teams, businesses, and creators who need multiple people managing content and communication on one account. If you found this walkthrough helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more updates, and share it with someone who might need a little help setting up their delegation settings.